Hello guys, today we're gonna play MCP Maps Review. Okay guys, play it. Choo choo choo, choo choo choo, choo 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 choo. Okay, it's the empty now about. Okay guys, this is how to download an MCPE master map. First you need to click the MCPE master. After that, you need to click the map, mod, add-on, seed, or anything that you want. I'm gonna type creation, type of the creation. And actually, this is not a how to download a map on MCP Master. This is a map review. Okay. Wait, I will get back if I'm finished to find a map. Okay guys, I'm back and I've downloaded a map. It's a piston house. That is the map. What we're gonna reviewing. Okay, this is it. My god, I think this is a redstone. Oh, I knew this. Nether. Red actor. Ooh, I miss this camera. Oh, my god. So this is the piston. It's lagging because it's videoing. This. Something is happening. Check that. What's this? What is it? Chua chua. It's chua chua. Okay. Oh yeah, it's this. To get here is oh. Let's go here. Okay. Well. Oh my god. Oh, this is the harvesting room. Okay, nice. 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 And this is the storage room. That is it. Yep. And let's review something. Is there something secrets here? Only this. Okay, now let's go up. Eh, eh, ah, so much lag here because I'm videoing the record. Let's see this. This is the just another secret. This is the the bedroom. This is the bedroom, guys. I like this because it has that, it has furniture. It's so amazing to look at it. And let's go here. Oh, this is the dining room. Okay guys, that's for our video today. Please subscribe. Please, I really need the subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Peace.